Hey everyone, what's going on? Josh Quinones here, and in today's video, we are going to talk about the Samsung Galaxy Foldable phone. Now, I came across some news here earlier about what the price could possibly be. Now, this is coming from PhoneArena. They're quoting an unnamed Samsung executive who talked to an unnamed Korean media outlet, reportedly saying the folder phone will be released at twice the price of a premium phone. So a strong user case is needed. Now, it's still kind of hard to get an exact price out of this because premium phones come at all different prices. I mean, they can range from around $750 to something around almost $1,000, like Samsung's Galaxy Note 9. But either way, if you're planning on getting this foldable device, you better start saving and get those wallets ready, because that can mean anywhere between $1,500 and $2,000, which is insane. And my guess is it will probably be on the higher side. But you guys let me know what you think this phone should be worth. Now, other things we know about the device is that it will have a full 7.3-inch tablet-sized display when open and a front 4.5-inch display when closed, which is a little smaller than what most of us are used to these days of phones with bigger displays. We also know that in order to make this foldable phone, they have added a new protective layer to make this possible. It is an advanced composite polymer that's both flexible and tough, and also a new foldable adhesive that allows the display to be folded hundreds of thousands of times without wearing out or leaving creases in the middle of the display. So this should last a very long time. Now, we do know this foldable phone will have 2 batteries to power it, and coming from Sam Mobile, they say the size of each battery will be 2,190 milliamps, which will give it a combined capacity of 4,380 milliamps. Now, honestly, I feel it should be just a bit bigger, only because of the fact that most people that buy this phone are going to buy it to use it when it's opened up as a tablet, which will use more battery. I mean, the battery size is decent, but I guess we'll just have to wait and see how it will last with power users like myself. Now, this phone is set to be announced alongside the Samsung Galaxy S10 and all its variants on February 20th at Samsung's Unpacked event. What are you guys most excited for, the S10 or this foldable device? Honestly, I am really curious to see how Samsung is going to pull off this foldable phone. But leave your thoughts down below as always. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any future videos to come. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is Josh Quinones, and I will see you on the next one. Peace out.